Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if the auto brightness isn't working correctly on your smartphone. First, try re-enabling your automatic screen brightness by swiping down the control center, and to enable the adaptive screen brightness, tap this icon and make sure that it turns the yellow color. Try disabling it and re-enabling it again. Then you can try to clean your device's display with emphasis on the frontal camera area. This way you will clean the ambient light sensors on your phone, but generally just carefully clean your device's display. And once you do that, restart your phone in order to refresh your ambient light sensors. To do that, press the power button and volume up key at the same time, and then swipe this circle to the top, and then wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, go to settings, basically check if your problem is resolved, but if it isn't, you have to go to settings, go to system and update, software update, make sure that you have an internet connection on your phone, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, and after that in software update, check if you have any updates to install, and if you do, then update your phone to the latest version and see if this resolves your issue. And if your issue still isn't resolved, go to reset phone in the system and update menu, then tap reset app preferences, tap reset, and after that wait for a couple of seconds and then restart your phone once again and see if your problem is resolved after that. And that's it. At this point, these are all of the tips I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.